March 14th, 2020. Driving home from a doctor's appointment, and there are some downed trees and wires. I hope that I can get a good enough video, because I am not able to stop. Here's the construction crew and everyone working on these wires. Wires here down all the way. And this is on Highway 206 in the Flathead County. I'm going to do one more drive-by, and hopefully I have enough memory on my phone to be able to do this, because I've never seen down wires as bad as these ones here. So just give me a second here so that I can turn around and get back up on the highway. Sorry, I'm not really watching where I don't live around here. I was just stopping to take video of this, because I've never seen it like that. But I have power where I live, but I live away. But yeah. There's another citizen there wondering if I have power, even though I don't live in this area. Dad, unroll your window so that I can get it. And hurry up, because there's a car coming. Let's see. I'm gonna have to speed up here. Dad, will you take the phone carefully? Tilt down so there you go. I'll tilt back up. Roll your window. And that is from a windstorm that we had for the past couple days, with wind gusts reaching up to 50 miles an hour. And as of right now, with the wind chill, we are at -20. And I got this guy gonna pass me. But yeah, so that was the down wires and trees, worse than I've ever seen before. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, and leave a comment, please.